Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can create your app clones in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, and friends, here you can see privacy. You have to click on it. Here it is, X clone. Click on try more apps, and friends, if there is no app, you can see Facebook it is showing. You have to click on this, and it is creating a dual space. And friends, it is created. You have to press back, and friends, you can see two Facebooks are showing. You can see Facebook 1 and this is Facebook 2, and this is the clone version of it. And from here you can create your second account and run your second account on it, and it is created. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.